Sometimes love is so much pain. For love we give up everything, yeah.
Sometimes love feels so good. Sometimes love's misunderstood.
Sometimes love can be so blind. Sometimes love just need a little time.
Whether a brother's love or a mother's love, we all need that one who's always there.
Hey everybody, I'm Candy, and this is my family, and our team who we work together to make Candy Cares happen. Candy Cares is my foundation that's all about being there and being a support system for single parents. Today we gave out book bags with all the school supplies to all the parents who signed up at candycares.org. Now if you would like to be a part or receive help from our organization, you can go to candycares.org and get more information, sign up. We love more volunteers because, as you can see, it does take a lot, to make this happen. This has been a 2-day thing so far. Well, more than 2 days. The first day was when we were collecting items at our different locations. Actually, I was there for the one at Walmart, and then the rest of the team got together and they put all the good stuff in the bags. Look at our Candy Cares Angels. They be helping put stuff in bags. And then all of us had to come together again here today at the Candy Factory, where we gave out the book bags to the parents who were able to make it today. As far as Candy Cares goes, we help single parents. You don't have to be, in a low income situation to necessarily need help. Some people just want to be able to go back to school. Some people need, help with different things like, just small things. Maybe they already, doing somewhat okay, but they just need some help. Well, we're trying to help as many as we can. Okay, so just go to candycares.org, KANDICARES.org, and sign up if you would like to receive assistance from Candy Cares, or if you want to volunteer. Okay, thank you.
Candy Cares!